Hello everyone, my name is Sumit Suresh Achilia. Our today's topic is evaluations of language. The evaluations of language, the considerable interactions and academic writing. In general, and the language of evaluation in particular has been demonstrated in the last of two decades amongst English for the academic and published proposed to researchers, scholars, and participants. The paper of continues such a trajectory of the research by exploring the emergencies. The scholarships on the language of evaluation in academic writing in Ghana, which in the same period has seen an upsurge in the member of the territory. The occupations and educational institutes and the unsupersided the increasing attention to the academic, the right turn to accomplish the above task. The first provide the conceptual sketch of the key terms underpinning the synthesis. The purposefully selected data are then examined through a combination of the qualitative control concepts and analysis, exclusions and inclusions and composition approach. The analysis indicates that the attention has been paid in verifying ways to search in listings and realities and the pragmatic resource or is reporting waves, discourses, makers, nominations, the staging of the muse, steps, evaluation, leaks, and critical speech. The acts and medications, headacting and the biological biographical critications and strategizations, a mirror finding a concerns the denominations and dominations use of the search research. The pentagenic genesis and the research article and the thesis of primary data for the synthesis, followed by assimilated general research, proposed and the critical review. Their finding shows that Ghanaian research, like many other research, worldwide, they are the touch with the research again initiations by EFBP researchers and the particulations in the Anglo-American content in the hoped that paper can provide relevant information on the language of evaluation teaching. The research and regional consultants and motivator similar research efforts of the constructs. There is no garnitioning the facts of the written plays the promotion's role in the production, demonstrations, and evaluations of knowledge in academic. This view is acceptable to scholar and researcher of the verifying back the grounds such as academic, literature, higher education, and theoretical applied legacies, and the onsets of the recognition in agreement with the role of other mode and the infections of the technological approach in the productions of the gears, restrictions and graphical limitations in the structure and instructional patterns that are privileged, expected, cultivated, conditionalized or realized academic. This is even more interesting for the purpose of the present study in the view of the written interaction of the person whose faculties and learn within the disciplines, speech and scholars communities, and the given that the academic written the weekly acknowledgement and interactives and periodical and naturatical 2013, Highland and Demini 2009. As a result of the recent social term rights report, there the researcher finding in other two periods the reducer to the accept their the claim and the stimulantly link or work to the previews and studies of the project Themes leaves the known as the much and more identified and identities of the leaves in knowledge. Aim of the study, the research questions, is the computational background. There we know the interactions between the evaluations and parameters. To communicate these the ideas to others, the youths and the certain parents which they include on the importance part together consideration and corresponding sounds approach the world of the specific speaker comments and receives communications and purpose such as the more depth and relations of the upload logistics and language learning to following mention several things become a problem study. What are the objects and study applied the logistics? The term definitions applied the logistics in the word of the applied word the apply of the which means varying using clouds and interpreting state use the deploy and word meaning applied put on particle use word applied derivatives and compounding applied legislations and degree with the terms applied logistic for the example spokely potent and likely to origin with our terms education's logistic the reason of the scope applied logistics broader than the logistic educations become the logistic relations the transportation the terms of logistic and evaluations they applied and the some parameters and the evaluations are readability easily understood verbality easy to write simplicity orthogonality high expensive power and flexibility reliability safety cost influenced by above creations executions and maintenance. They are about this select primary language version of the test domain application. They are flow the primary language app. They another way to create of the list UI terms and primary language. There again transmit the terms of primary language. There are present members independently create a translations into the secondary language. There are present some presence of translations in the secondary language. They are also present in each member sets the most of suitable transactions for each terms from the list. There are some present to present the selected transactions in secondary language to presence of discuss with the participants about the transactions and choose of most suitable or your applications. There are some presents in the information language and the verbality to reproduce the motivations instability and textbook and self intercorrections. They also flow of the categories learner should be provider and many other. So today's about our topic evaluations of language. So thank you.